What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investment Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Solana. It's currently sitting at 184. We're up 13% on the day. Market cap 87 billion. 24-hour volume 8.97 billion. So if we pop into the chart, let me just zoom out to the daily off the bear market low. You have an extremely impulsive wave one, a nice wave two pullback, and now we're impulsing once again, especially with the Trump victory. Nice pump. So off that wave two, you have a 1 into 2 looking to push up into 3. And of course, within that wave or 5 waves, so you have a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. Now you're looking to push up in the wave 3, which gives you a target of 235. So it will look a little something like this. Pull back a little bit. First 5 wave move, pull back, bang, 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 up to 235. That's what I'm looking at for our friend Sol. If we pop over to our next chart, we broke out of a bearish pattern, which is a descending triangle. So take the measurement for the bullish outcome. As we've broken out, we retested, we see continuation. Take the measurement of the triangle, take it to the point of breakout, and that could take Sol all the way up to 249 for our friend Solana. So that's what you can look for going forward. It will take time, but we do have the wave 3 target of 253, 249, basically the same target. So it lines up, guys. Simple analysis. That's what we're looking at for Sol. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, one of the few exchanges where you can trade futures in North America. You can use it all over the world. When you sign up through my link, top of the comments, you get 10% back on every single one of your trades, on your fees. And my Discord is completely free, which includes my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, as well as my Forex signals. Nice profit on gold today. All links down below. Smash up the like button, subscribe if you're new. You can come closer, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.